Hello everyone, hope you're doing well, and in this video I'm going to create this typing game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. As you can see, when I press any key, that letter is going to be destroyed, and you can see that. So I'm going to create this game from scratch using HTML and CSS. You can follow this video until end, and also you can get the source code. The link is at the description. You can easily download this source code of this game. Alright, so enough in talking, let's get started. So before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe this YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so I'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so here you can see this button. So when I press the N case sensitive button, so it will no matter when we press lowercase or capital letter, it will destroy that letter, as you can see. So now I'm not using the shift to add a capital letter, as you can see. So I'm going to create this game.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes my dynasty.